Hey people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you doing? Oh my god, I forgot to wear my earrings. So I created this bomb eyeshadow look in less than 30 minutes, no jokes. I feel like every lady should know how to do smoky eyes, not only because it is classy and chic, it is also very easy to actually achieve, guys. So you know, now I'm here with the hacks. So if you want to learn how to do your eyes and make them pop in this very easy style, easy but classy, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into it. I already did half of my brows, and now I'm creating a base using my concealer. That's the first step. Make sure you blend it in very well. Now I'm going in with this brow palette from BH Cosmetics. If you don't have it, please look for an alternative. I'm tapping in the darkest shade of brown into my lower lid very systematically. This third step is going in with this lighter shade of brown. Mine is from Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm tapping it on top of the first color and then also blending upwards gradually. Step 4, guys. So you take a lighter shade of brown or burnt orange and then place it on top also. Now you're blending upwards again towards your brows. You have to blend a lot in this look, I can't lie to you, but at the end of the day it's still very fast and it's something you can actually achieve in a short time. Now I'm going the fifth step. I'm going back with that darkest shade of brown I used initially from my BH Cosmetics, tapping it into my lower lid, then blending it upwards. Now you can see like that there's like a meeting of all the colors now, and like basically that's my smoky eye for my upper lid. Okay, so can you see the difference, guys? Now just go in to the second eye and do the exact same steps that I've given you, the 5 steps, and I promise you're going to see a major difference in your eyeshadow game. Now while this goes on, I'm going to just give you a few things that I want you to note when you're doing smoky eye. First of all, you can go in with a darker shade if you want. You can start with a black base using your gel liner, but then I would not advise that if you're just beginning makeup. If you're not very good with makeup, please don't do that. Start with browns instead. Another thing I would like you to notice is that you can use other colors. Be adventurous. Try wine, green, blue or purple smoky eyes. Very sultry looks, especially purple and blue. They are like my alternative faves after brown. Another thing I would like you to know is that you can add some glitter if you'd like for sparkle. I didn't add any glitter here. I used just matte colors, but then guys, you could add glitter on your smoky eyes. It actually pops real good. Another thing I would like you to know is that if you're just starting, please note that blending is very important. If you're not blending in properly, it's not going to appear the way it's supposed to. You're going to have harsh lines. So I went on to do the rest of my face. You guys should please ignore my mirror, like it's a makeup mirror and it has gone through harsh times. So whatever look you guys would like to see, please leave a comment below. Let me know. Someone requested for this actually, and then I just thought, oh yes, I could probably teach you guys the simple way to go about achieving your smoky eye. So step 6 is to smoke out the under eyes. You cannot have smoky eyes without your under eyes smoked. I don't know how to explain it, but my point is anything you do on top, you should replicate beneath. So now I'm putting my waterproof dark eyeliner into my waterline, and then I also put some eyeshadow beneath my eyes, also some dark eyeshadow. That's like very important to give you that smoky effect. Note that if you want your look to be very intense, then you probably have to use like a lot of shadows beneath your eyes. You understand? So guys, I'm going in with my highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes now, just to give it like a pop. And I love doing that thing so much. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, please leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't.